Hello friends, good morning all of you. Today is the topic is the base of the application of Gauss law. My previous topic you see in my video is the regarded by the Gauss theorem. So please start now. We next topic is the application of Gauss law. Please my screen. Application of the Gauss law is the first topic is the field due to an infinity long charge wire. Okay my dear friends, you can see a first figure is the infinity wire. They are distributed the positive charge, and here is the length is the small a. Okay, so now we start the first point. Yes, first point. We consider a thin, infinity, long, straight wire having a uniform linear charge distribution, linear charge density. It is denoted by lambda, and its SI units is coulomb per meter. Okay, so that lambda is equal to Q upon L. So Q is equal to lambda L, because lambda is the linear charge density. So lambda is equal to Q upon L. So Q is equal to lambda L. My previous topic you can see the charge distribution. There are three types of charge distribution: volume charge distribution, surface charge distribution, and third is the linear charge distribution. So today's the topic is the long charge wire, infinity long charge wire. So infinity long charge wire, there the charge is distributed is the linearly. So lambda is equal to Q upon L. The Q is equal to lambda L. Now second point, the field E of the line charge is directed radially outward, and its magnitude is same at all points equidistant from the line charge. Okay, third point, draw this figure. Second figure, first figure is the infinity long straight wire. Here this positive charge are distributed there. So positive charge distributed there, then create a cylindrical Gaussian surface. Okay, cylindrical Gaussian surface are why are you create? Because the positive charge tendency, then the electrical field line is the outward. So there second figure is also draw in your notebook. And create by cylindrical Gaussian surface. Okay, there are three surface S1, S2 and S3. Okay friends, now electrical field and area vector is the first S1 surface, electrical field and area vector both are the same direction, E and ds both are the same direction. S2 electrical field and area vector both are the perpendicular direction, and S3 also making electrical field and area vector both are the perpendicular direction. Okay friends, there is the radius is the small r and length is the small l. Okay, first surface S1 is the create a making angle theta is equal to 0, and there is the theta is second. S2 surface is the making angle theta is equal to 90 degree, and S3 surface to create an angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay dear friends, draw this figure. Okay, now total flux phi is equal to integration close integration E dot ds. Okay, so phi is equal to, there are distributed the three S1, S2 and S3. So S1 EDS, S2 EDS and S3 EDS. Okay friends, there is the theta is equal first 0 degree, there is the theta is equal to 90 degree, and there is the theta is equal to 90 degree. So phi is equal to EDS cos theta and again EDS cos theta and again EDS cos theta. S1 theta is equal to 0, S2 theta is equal to 90, S3 theta is equal to 90. Now phi is equal to EDS cos 0, EDS cos 90, EDS cos 90. So S1, S2 and S3. My dear friends, S2 and S3 are 0 because the cos 90 is equal to 0. Only for the S1 is the, because the cos 0 is equal to 1. So integration E dot ds and other are 0. So phi is equal to integration E dot ds. Write down. This mechanism is very carefully write down in your notebook. Figure is very carefully draw this in your notebook. Okay, now phi is equal to integration E dot ds using Gauss theorem. Pi is equal to Q upon E naught, Q replaced by lambda L. So phi is equal to lambda L E naught. Okay, and here taking the common E, integration of the ds. So equation first and equation second both are comparing because the left hand side are equal, so that E integration ds lambda L upon E naught. Now E integration of ds is the 2 pi r L. Understood? 2 pi r L, because here are the surface is the cylindrical Gaussian surface. Cylindrical Gaussian surface is the value is the 2 pi r L lambda L upon E naught. So L are cancelled out. Now E is equal to lambda 2 pi E naught r. Write down in your notebook. Be carefully. Okay. E is equal to lambda 4 pi E naught r is a very important formula of the infinity long charged wire. So there are some changing there. Now numerator and denominator is the multiply and divided by 2. So 2 lambda upon 2, so 4 pi E naught r. And my dear friends, k is equal to 1 upon a 4 pi E naught. So new formula are created there, 2k lambda upon r. Okay. First formula is the E is equal to lambda upon 2 pi E naught r, and second is the also created by, so E is equal to 2k lambda upon r, and electrical field is inversely proportional of the radius of cylindrical Gaussian surface. So draw this graph, electrical field and E. This graph is the inversely graph. Okay friends, so write down, be carefully. Okay friends, now starts the first numerical, this related. Now start the first numerical. An infinity line charge produce a field of 9 into 10 की power 4 Newton per coulomb at a distance of 4 centimeter. Calculate the linear charge density. Okay, now we solve these questions. This numerical is very interesting numerical. There are given the electrical field. So electrical field is value 9 into 10 की power 4 Newton per coulomb. My dear friends, most of identify on the SI unit. SI unit से आप इसकी इलेक्ट्रिकल इसकी वैल्यूज को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि किसको रिलेटेड है, किससे ये कनेक्ट है. नाउ डिस्टेंस r is the 4 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, 4 सेंटीमीटर को कन्वर्ट कीजिए 4 into 10 की पावर -2 मीटर से. एंड नाउ इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड E is equal to ओके लैम्डा अपॉन 2 पाई E naught r या 2 lambda upon 4 pi E naught r. So cross multiply. Now find out the linear charge density. It means lambda r find out. So E naught ER upon 2 lambda. Now lambda is equal to E naught ER by 2. Convert this formula. Okay, and now K is equal to 1 upon a 4 pi E naught equal to 9 to 10 की power 9 Newton meter square Coulomb minus 2. Yeah, 1 upon a 4 pi E naught is equal to 1 upon a 9 into 10 की power 9. Okay, my dear friends, so lambda is equal to e की power 9 into 10 की power 4. Put there e value 4 into 10 की power minus 2 upon 2. 4 pi e naught value is the 9 into 10 की power 9. So 9 are cancel out, 2 की table से 4 cancel out, 2. Now the resultant value is the 2, and there is the solve out 10 की power 4 and 10 की power minus 9 and 10 की power minus 2. Okay, so lambda is equal to 2 into 10 की power minus के 5. Okay, minus के power 10 की power minus के 7 coulomb per meter. Find out this numerical. This numerical is the find out the linear charge density. So convert this formula and resultant value. Convert this formula and resultant formula is the lambda is equal to 4 pi E naught bracket E R upon 2. Okay, so understood. Okay, second questions. A cylinder of large length carrier a charge of 2 into 10 की power minus 8 2 into 10 की power minus 8 coulomb per meter. Find the electrical field at a distance of 0.2 meter from it. Write down. Okay. Now second question is related linear charge density is value 2 into 10 की power minus 8 coulomb per meter and distance is 0.2 meter. Then the find out the electrical field. Okay, my dear friends, write down. Okay, so E is equal to lambda upon 2 pi E naught R. Here 2 lambda is equal to 4 pi E naught R. So E is equal to 2k lambda upon R. Okay, now put this value 2 k value 1 upon a 4 pi E naught 9 to 10 की power 9 Newton meter coulomb square meter minus 2. Okay, so 9 to 10 की power 9 lambda is the value 2 into 10 की power minus 8 upon R value 0.2. Again write here 2 into 9 into 10 की power 9 into 2 into 10 की power minus 8 upon 2. Now decimal are removed and there 10 की power 10 2 are cancel out. Multiply 18 and here is the 10 की power 10 and 10 की power minus 8. So E is equal to 18 and 10 की power 2. Now put this decimal. So decimal is putting there 1.8 10 की power 3 and voltmeter, then the SI unit are right there. Volt per meter. Write down this numerical. Okay friends, this video is depend upon the application of the Gaussian theorem. So first theorem या first application are complete. Next application next video. Okay, and like करें, share करें. I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छे लग रहे होंगे और कंटेंट आपको प्रॉपरली दिया जा रहा होगा. यदि कुछ कंटेंट में रह जाता है तो मैं पूरा कंटेंट आपको प्रोवाइड करवाऊंगा. ओके, थैंक यू. लाइक करें, शेयर करें. ओके.